Samosas are available in many varieties. Today I'm going to show one of the unique variety of samosas stuffed with chicken. This chicken samosa is one of my best recipes which I created. You cannot find this recipe in the YouTube. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special chicken samosa. First we'll prepare dough for samosa out layer. For that take 250 grams of all-purpose flour in a bowl. To this add 50 grams of melted unsalted butter. Mix butter and flour to form a coarse powder. Look at the texture. Flour and butter combines well. Now add salt to taste. Half teaspoon of baking soda. Half teaspoon of Ajwain seeds. Rub the seeds between hands and add. This seeds gives that unique flavor to the samosa and good for digestion. Now mix and add water little by little and mix the mixture to form a dough. Here is the secret. The dough should be very hard and the samosa will stay crispy for a long time. If dough is soft, then the out layer will get bubbles while frying and samosa will be softer. So make the dough as harder as possible. Best way to find the right consistency is when the dough is hard enough, the Ajwain seeds will start to fall off. Now cover the dough with damp cloth and rest it for 30 to 40 minutes. Till that, we'll prepare our chicken stuffing. For this quantity of dough, here I'm taking 300 grams of boneless chicken. Wash the chicken and cut into 1-inch size cubes. Now drop these cubes in a bowl. To this add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, half-inch cinnamon, 4 cloves, 1 liter of water. Now cook the chicken completely. Till that we'll prepare our veggies. Take 1 medium-sized onion and chop it finely. After onion, take 1 big green chilli and cut very finely. You can adjust the chilies as per your taste. Our chicken is ready. Take out the chicken pieces from the water and place them on a plate. Now separate the chicken fibers. Don't make too thin. After separating all, heat up the pan. Pour 3 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Into the oil drop 2 bay leaves, chopped chilli and onion, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and cook till onion gets light golden color. Now mash 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds into half. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and mashed coriander seeds to the onion. Mix well and add boiled chicken. Salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Take out the bay leaves and add small bunch of chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and take out the chicken onto a plate and let it cool down. Now take the dough, cut into small pieces. Make the pieces into small rounds. To avoid drying, cover with damp cloth. Now dust the surface with flour. Take the dough balls and roll it to oval shape. After rolling, place them one on the top of another. Spread some flour between. If not, layers will stick. You can adjust the size. If you make bigger size, samosas will be bigger. If you make smaller, samosa will be smaller. Now, cut this oval sheet into half. To avoid drying of the sheets, cover them with damp cloth. Now take one sheet. Apply water on straight edge until half. Now fold and press as I'm showing. Now stuff with the chicken mixture. Apply water around the edge. Press and seal as I'm showing. If you don't seal perfectly, stuffing will come out while frying. I'm showing once again how to fold. Now pour enough oil in a pan. When oil heats up, reduce the flame to low and drop the samosas in the oil. When samosas float on the top, increase the flame to medium and fry till they get golden brown color. Don't fry on a high flame. Points to be remembered. Dough should be harder and boiled chicken should not have any moisture. Then the samosas will be crispy for a long time. That's it. Our tasty crispy chicken samosa is ready. This chicken samosa is best with a cup of tea.